Let us proceed with the first song.
Face massagers. Add Nurse Jamie's Triangle Facial Beauty Tool to your list of skincare must-haves. This massager uses high-frequency sonic technology to restore skin's natural glow. You can even heat it to help your skin absorb serums, moisturizers, eye creams, and face oils more effectively. All that goodness will cost you a pretty penny, though. Heated lash curlers. There's no need to waste money testing every lash curling mascara that hits the market. Just invest in a heated eyelash curler, and your lashes will be curled for life. Battery-powered lash curlers feature heated silicone to give lashes long-lasting curves. Like a traditional curler, you use the product by putting lashes between two curved edges and squeezing. The only difference is that these curved edges are heated. Think of it like a curling iron for your eyelashes. Who wouldn't want that? Jade facial rollers. Ancient Chinese medicine is still totally relevant, as evidenced by the sudden trendiness of jade facial rollers. Jade relaxes the nervous system and helps the body release toxins by increasing Qi, a revitalizing energy in the body. The aqua-colored stone also has some amazing skincare benefits. It promotes lymphatic drainage, evens skin tone, promotes skin elasticity, and reduces puffiness by stimulating circulation. Run a jade roller over your face after cleansing, toning, and applying serum to reap the benefits. And try keeping your jade roller in the fridge. The cooling sensation will help reduce inflammation and redness. Facial steamers. Facial steamers are like portable saunas. Use one to open pores and soothe skin from the comfort of your own home. The combination of heat and ultrasonic vapors produces steam with negatively charged ionic particles, which are effective at penetrating the skin. Steaming improves blood circulation, gives you a healthier-looking complexion, drains sinuses, and improves skincare product absorption. Plus, it's incredibly relaxing. Vacuum action blackhead removers. Ever wish you could just vacuum the blackheads out of your pores? Well, now you can. Vacuum action blackhead removers use small, circular probes to help unclog pores and reduce the look of blemishes. The tool sucks out blackheads, dirt, and grease in seconds. You can even use blackhead removers on sensitive skin. Dermaplaning Exfoliators. Dermaplaning Exfoliators. Blending brushes. Cleansing brushes. Beautyblenders. Beautyblenders. Oval brushes. Oval brushes.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.